A beautiful living room tells a story, and one of the easiest ways to give it personality is with a stunning gallery wall. Instead of leaving a large wall empty, you can transform it into a focal point filled with art, photographs, mirrors, and decorative pieces that reflect your unique style. Whether you love modern minimalism, rustic charm, Scandinavian simplicity, or luxurious interiors, a thoughtfully designed gallery wall instantly makes your living room feel more inviting and elegant. One popular trend is using a balanced arrangement of matching frames for a clean, sophisticated look. Black, white, or natural wood frames create a timeless design that works in almost any home. If you prefer something more creative, mix different frame sizes, shapes, and textures to add depth and character. Abstract artwork, botanical prints, family photos, inspirational quotes, woven baskets, floating shelves, and decorative mirrors can all work together to create a gallery wall that feels both stylish and personal. Color also plays an important role. Neutral tones bring a calm and cozy atmosphere, while bold colors create energy and make the wall stand out. Adding greenery, warm lighting, or metallic accents such as gold or black frames can further enhance the overall design. Even a small living room can benefit from a gallery wall by drawing the eye upward and making the space appear larger and more visually interesting. Before hanging your pieces, arrange them on the floor to find the perfect layout. Keeping equal spacing between frames creates a polished appearance, while mixing different artwork styles adds personality without looking cluttered. Remember, there are no strict rules. Your gallery wall should reflect your taste and complement the rest of your decor.